I'll be showing you how to use your own picture or your own photo as the watch face of your Galaxy Watch 6 or Watch 6 Classic. Now, by far the easiest way to do this is using your phone, the one that's paired to this watch, okay? And what you need to do is go to your gallery, find the photo you want to use, open the photo, and then tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner, and then select Set as Wallpaper. And then from the menu, you should see the option for watch face. So tap on watch face, and then you have different types of watch face templates that you can use your photo with. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for the most basic. So I'll select photos, and then I'll allow my watch to do its thing, and then it's gonna give me a preview of what that will look like on my watch. Okay, so I can expand the image, I can shrink it a bit, I can move it left or right, and then I can adjust a few things like brightness, contrast, saturation, all that stuff. And when I'm happy with my photo, I can just tap on done, and then that watch face is going to be created. And then now I can tap on save, and that's my new watch face using my own photo. Okay, it's literally as simple as that. Now, like I mentioned, you might go to try and create and have a different template. So for instance, if I use a photo like this one, for instance, and I tap on the three dots and then go to Set as Wallpaper and then choose watch face again. If I choose something else like photo sticker, which is a different template that also allows you to use your own photo, then you should see something different. Okay, so basically you should see a semicircle there telling you that this template will only occupy a semicircle. Okay, so position whatever you want in that photo within the semicircle and then tap on done. And as you can see, that's what the watch face will look like. Okay, so the photo will be with that semicircle at top, and then all the other information will come to the bottom half of the screen. So let's tap on save and see what that looks like. There you go. So it's different templates for using your photos or your own custom pictures as the watch face of your Galaxy Watch 6 or 6 Classic. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.